the first thing you need to do is come to your browser and search for Photopea. Go ahead and create a new file. This is the height, this is the width. Let's leave it as 1280 and 720. Create. So here, let's go on and click on text. T here means text if you want to write. So click on it. Here's the size of the text. You can increase it and decrease it. So let's write here the H, capital H. So click that small thing. So here we are this small where the H here is in black because the H is activated. We are working with the H. So here if we click on background, if the background is in black, meaning we are working with the background. So here the H is activated. Let's go to edit, free transform, and now let's increase it a bit. So now let's go ahead and give it a different font style. So to do that, right now this font style, Deja Vu Sans, is the one activated. So click on this drop down to choose other font styles. So choose one font styles. No, let me scroll. And so I'm choosing this other font style. So here you can make it regular. So here is the continue at this place. So just click. We have the color. We have the colors here. This is the saturation. This is the light. And these are the colors. So here, let's choose. Sorry. Good. Now let's position our edge to the center. The edge is activated. So we come to this tool. So let's move. This red line means our edge is in the middle, and this other red line means it's in the middle vertically and it's in the middle horizontally. So let's go on. Here are the shapes. Let's click on shape and let's select the type of shape, sphere, and draw. So here, go to edit, hit and adjust the size. The reason you are seeing this on top of this is because this here is on top of this one. So if we bring this one back, just double click on this and drag it. See, now the edge is inside. So here we can change the color by coming here and give it the desired color. So now let's go ahead and do this one. duplicate. Let's take down and change the color. Go to edit, flip transform, just take. So now we have it. So let's give this H letter a stroke. So come here, this small FF, click on it, click on stroke, and here the stroke color is red. Let's change the stroke. This one is okay. Okay. So here our H is okay. So let's go and add the second text. So here to reduce this, just come to the cells. This good. So I'm going to write E R E that correct to show that you are done with writing. Now come to the three transform, adjust it a bit. So here let's change the color of the ER and edit free transform. So just it a bit. So now let's give the ER a stroke. Let's make it a match. This one. So that is it for more design. Please subscribe so to receive notification I upload new designing videos.